Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Cash App. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Cash and you will go here to this window. Then here in this page, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store and then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.